Okay, what's up guys? Dr. Jeff here, and I couldn't be more excited, and only you could understand the excitement. Check it out. Fresh off USPS, 2-day priority mail from convention. My great friend, business partner, Heather Klepfer, was kind enough to pick up a convention kit and ship it to us because we couldn't make it this year because we had all the testing this past week. And let's open it. Bubble wrap. Ooh, check this out. I heard about these, but instead of boxes, they did these nice little bags, which is fun. Megan might be a little upset because she's not here for this. She's at a jewelry show with her sister. I couldn't wait. We'll do an in-depth review on all of this, but this is part of the children's collection Tamer digestive blend. We have coconut oil, so that's great. Spearmint, Japanese peppermint, ginger, black pepper, and parsley. So all of these oils that are in this blend are so good for calming the gut, and this is gonna be wonderful. Tamer. Next product. I was excited with these. These are Yarrow Palm Cellular Beauty Complex. It's a nice little container. Vitamin C, zinc, pomegranate seed oil, grape seed extract, yarrow oil, of course, frankincense, celery seed, palmarosa, turmeric, melon, and melissa. A great product here. This is wonderful. Ooh. Here we go. Manuka. This is great packaging. Manuka is from New Zealand. It's the most prevalent plant in all of New Zealand, and Manuka has tremendous qualities to it. The compounds are just incredible. When my friend Dr. Ryan Berlin had his brown recluse spider bite, Manuka Essential Oil was one of the oils that he used, and he didn't have to have a skin graft or surgery or anything. He didn't even take an antibiotic when he had that brown recluse bite. Manuka was one of the oils that he used a lot of. I actually sent him a couple of these because we had these from before. But Manuka oil is wonderful. That's part of the convention kit. That's one of the benefits of going to convention is you get these oils that you cannot get Manuka. Cap stickers for the new oils. Peppermint Essential Oil Soft Gels. This is great. This is going to be great for your stomach, great for your gut, great for after a meal. We like to just ingest the oil, but these soft gels are great. If the peppermint is too strong for you just to drop directly in your mouth, these are wonderful. Yarrow Palm Body Renewal Serum. Jojoba seed, pomegranate seed oil, sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, grape seed oil, argan oil, which is great for your skin, coffee seed extract. See, I've been waiting for a coffee seed extract product, and I hope at some point we get a coffee essential oil because the benefits are tremendous of that. Yuzu peel oil, yarrow, of course, Roman chamomile, and peppermint and kananga, which kananga was a promo a couple months ago. That's similar to ylang ylang. Love the packaging. I love companies when they put intention into the packaging. I mean, there's plants on it, there's texture, there's this beautiful gold writing. I mean, I love that. Nice glass container. The body serum, it's a pump, it looks like. This is awesome. 100 milliliters. Apply a thin layer over your body twice a day. This is great. Shake before using. Love it. Don't tell Megan about this one. This will be gone before we can get a new bottle in October. So can't get these products till October 1st. She's gonna love them. Lemon eucalyptus. See, this is amazing. This is from Australia as well, native to Australia. This is part of our co-impact sourcing model. Lemon eucalyptus. This is not lemon and eucalyptus. Lemon eucalyptus is an actual plant, and I've never experienced this essential oil. Wow. I can't wait to diffuse this. It has an aroma of lemongrass, lemon, and eucalyptus. So it's the aroma is like a lemongrass, lemon, a very mild lemongrass, and like a mild eucalyptus. It's incredible. This is a wonderful aroma. This is what we'll be diffusing in this room with all the dogs. This is great. Citronella, the citronella, the candles and products that you purchase to repel the bugs, this smells much different than that because those are all synthetic citronellas. This is an authentic citronella oil. Wow, this is wonderful. Beautiful aroma. I would have no problem putting this all over and then going outside and not worrying about what you smell like because the smell is very pleasant on this. It's very light, very pleasant. Black spruce, ooh, much less sharp than like a Douglas fir or a Siberian fir. That is beautiful. That's a beautiful oil. And lastly, celery seed oil. Man, I was looking forward to this one because celery seed oil, again, is so good for digestion. All the seed oils smells like, it literally smells like celery. Ooh, I love this oil. I love juicing celery. I think I'm gonna add celery seed oil to my juice. That'll be wonderful. Turmeric dual chamber capsules. Ooh, okay. This has the curcuminoids, which is the powder form of turmeric. Curcumin is an extract from turmeric. This is curcuminoids, 300 milligrams. That's a good dose. And then turmeric oil. You get the benefits of the powder, the curcuminoids, and also the oil. These have two different mechanisms of action within our body. They work on two different biochemical pathways. The synergy is powerful when we do these. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be a powerful product for brain health, for healthy inflammatory levels in our body. I can't wait to start taking that. Tamer cap for the backpack. The adaptive. This is a whole new line. I'm gonna do a very in-depth video on this adaptive line because this was created for mental health. It's the adaptive calming blend, trademarked. Coconut oil in the roller, wild orange, lavender, copaiba, spearmint, magnolia, rosemary, neroli, which is, I love neroli, and then sweet gum resin oil. Wow. Can't wait to do the video on the adaptive blend to teach you guys all about the benefits of this. This is so powerful for mental health. This is going to be a complete game changer when it comes to helping people who suffer from depression, anxiety, giving them a solution that is very, very easy for them to implement into their life. Oil without the coconut oil. Yeah, the aroma is just absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna love this. Wow. I'm gonna put some on. This is very special. Thank you for this. This is very special. And then we have the capsules with the oils. We have ahi flower. And then what I'm most excited about this product is it has GABA in it. GABA is such a calming compound for our brain, for our nervous system, and for our emotions. It's one of the most calming compounds that is out there. And there's 100 milligrams of GABA in here. They really knocked it out of the park this year with their products, their new line. Adaptive line. This is incredible. This is going to save and change so many lives, empower so many people. And all of these are going to be available October 1st, and they will likely be in a kit like this that you'll be able to purchase. We're excited. We'll do an in-depth video on all of these in the coming weeks. Just wanted to give you guys the sneak peek, first impression, and first impression is absolutely gorgeous. The packaging, how they put these together, the oils that are in there, amazing. Thank you. Love you guys. See you in the next video.